You know, sometimes I just need to get away, really get away. Somewhere that makes my heart skip a beat. And if you're a solo traveler like me, Switzerland, it's not just a country, it's a fairy tale playground. And today I'll take you with me on a story-driven journey through one of its most breathtaking destinations, Lauterbrunnen Valley. Picture this. I step off the train and suddenly I'm surrounded by 72 thundering waterfalls, wildflower-strewn meadows, and snow-capped peaks that look like they've been painted on the sky. There's a reason Lauterbrunnen is called the Valley of Waterfalls. Everywhere I turn, there's another cascade tumbling down dramatic limestone cliffs. The air is so fresh it wakes me up from the inside out. As I wander alone, I catch myself smiling. No crowds, no rush. Just me and the sound of rushing water and distant cowbells. I hike the easy trail towards Staubach Falls, the tallest free-falling waterfall in Switzerland. The mist tickles my face as I get closer, and for a moment it feels like I'm in a dream. But here's my favorite solo traveler secret. Hop on the cable car up to Murren. This car-free village sits high above the valley, and the views? Honestly, I run out of words. It's all green pastures and dramatic cliffs, with the Eiger, Monch and Jungfrau mountains rising like silent guardians. I grab a coffee at a tiny cafe, journal about my day and take in the silence. Up here, it's easy to feel small in the best possible way. Lauterbrunnen isn't just about scenery, it's about the feeling of freedom that comes with wandering solo, choosing your own path, lingering at the overlooks, meeting locals, or just soaking in the moment. I chat with a Swiss hiker, swap stories, and suddenly I'm not alone at all. So, if you're longing for a place that feels magical, safe, and endlessly inspiring, Lauterbrunnen Valley in Switzerland is calling your name. Pack light, bring your curiosity, and let the mountains show you a side of yourself you've never met before. That's the beauty of solo travel. Every destination becomes your personal story. And trust me, Switzerland is one story you'll want to tell again and again.